is up, guys? Today we're going to be going over some of the best Black Friday deals out there for tech, and specifically we're going to be looking at some of Aukey's stuff today. So if you guys want to get some awesome tech for a significant drop in price, then make sure you guys stick around. So first up, we're going to be looking at some true wireless earbuds. So let's go ahead and unbox these safely as always. And like usual, use some foam padding up here to make sure that we protect our true wireless earbuds. So something I'm noticing right off the bat is that this case is tiny, and that's definitely way smaller than any case that I've ever gotten for some true wireless earbuds. Before I go over these too much, let's make sure we're not missing any goodies. So we got micro USB charging, and we have some more ear tips and manuals, all the fun stuff you never read. So let's take a quick look at the actual earbuds, and they're all black, and they're basically the average size. They're not like teeny tiny, but they're not huge. They're a pretty nice size, and I have noticed that they have 4 prongs for charging, which I guess may charge faster than one with 2 prongs. Not sure, to be honest, but there's a little light that comes on whenever they're charging, and a little magnet sucks them right in, so they're gonna stay in that case. Let's put them in real quick for a seal test. Yeah, they're pretty good. They fit well, and they already have a hard time hearing my voice, and I'm probably yelling right now. And after listening to some music on these, they sound pretty good. There's good bass, good treble, good everything. Alright, so let's look at some of the specs for these real quick. So these have about an hour and a half of playtime, and you can charge these up to 3 times with one single charge to the case. And this case will give you a total of 8 to 9 hours of playtime. And these do come in white as well, so if you guys want to look like you have some off-brand AirPods, and get some white ones. Alright, so now the moment you've all been waiting for, how big of a discount are these going to be on Black Friday? Well, they're going to be almost 50% off, so these are only going to cost you $30 on Black Friday, whereas they usually cost $50. So if you guys want to get a cheap pair of wireless earbuds, then I think Black Friday is going to be your day. Alright, so next up we have something a bit heavier. It's a power bank, and it's 20,000 milliamp hours. Alright, so let's unbox this real quick. Alright, so this thing is massive. I was expecting something more like the size of my phone, but instead I have something about the size of one of those TI calculators you probably use in school. This thing is super thin, but it's huge, and that's how you're going to get 20,000 milliamp hours. So you guys have a bunch of ports here, and it also has USB-C, which is a big feature of this specific portable charger. It also has 3 different USB ports, and you're going to be able to charge a lot of stuff off this thing. So here's the USB-C cable that comes with it, so you guys can charge this up. And then you guys could even use this to charge, say, like a Moto G6 if you guys have something that uses USB-C to charge. So something I forgot to mention was that this could actually charge with a micro USB as well as USB-C. So you have a few options if you forget a cable. So this actually came pre-charged, which is pretty nice, so I don't even have to charge it before my trip this weekend. And then it has lights right here that indicates how charged it still is. And then on the side here we have a charging port so that you guys can charge this up. Alright, so this is going to be on sale for about $26 on Black Friday, and it usually sits at about $40, so you guys are going to be saving about $14 on this portable charger. So next up we have something a bit bigger, and more specifically it's an extra large gaming mouse pad. Alright, so here we got it. This thing actually weighs a ton. I've never seen a mouse pad this big. As we unroll it, we have Aukey's sticker and a manual, because sometimes mouse pads can be confusing to use. Obviously, I'm just joking there. I don't think you need a manual for a mouse pad. You just use it. This thing is huge. So we have an Aukey logo down here, and then we have like a key logo up here, and then we have a little sticker that we can take off down here. You're not gonna have to see that. But this thing is super squishy. Some bigger mouse pads that you get don't have the cushion that you're looking for. And this definitely has like a squishy feel to it. So whenever you're having your 6-hour gaming session, I think this mouse pad is the one for you. So this mouse pad is about 16 inches by 36 inches, which is monstrous, and you guys will literally never run out of space. This mouse pad usually costs you about $20, but for Black Friday, it's only gonna cost $14 for Prime members. And let me tell you, there are not many places where you can buy a mouse pad this big for $14. So next up is the keyboard, and this is what I'm most excited to check out. So we have a nice mechanical keyboard in here, and this thing is definitely cheaper than some other blue switch mechanical keyboards out there. And in the box you just have a user manual, And then in here you also have a little tool to take your caps off like so. And when you take a switch off, you can see your beautiful blue switch down in there. And let me tell you, these things are clicky. Alright, so I went ahead and plugged this keyboard in, and we have a nice rainbow lit keyboard. And this keyboard is not fully RGB, but you do have some backlit keys at least, and at this price point you can't really ask for more. And on the back here we have some feet, so if we want a little bit of an angle on here, we got that. And here's a quick typing test. So this keyboard will usually cost you $40, but on Black Friday, this thing will only cost you $32 if you're a Prime member. And that is a really good deal for a mechanical keyboard with backlights. And the last product I'm going to be reviewing today is Aukey's Dashcam. And this product comes in a ton of foam packaging, so your crazy deliverers aren't going to be breaking this, which is a very good thing. So I remember looking at this online, and I thought this thing would be a lot bigger, but it's actually super small. Compared to my hand, like, the thing's tiny. And that is exactly what you want. You don't want something big and obnoxious, because then you're just not going to be able to see out your window if something's covering half of it up. So I'm going to set this down real quick and look at what else is in the box. Wow, that's actually a lot more than I was expecting. So here we have all the wires so that you guys can hook this up. So you're going to get a super long mini USB cable to power your dash cam. And it also comes with some really nice mounts with some 3M adhesive tape on the back, which is really helpful because the ones with suction cups tend to kind of fall off, especially whenever weather is changing from being hot to cold. I find my dash cam just sitting on the floor of my car because it falls off. But with some 3M tape, that won't be happening. So all you have to do is mount this to your car, slide this on, and then you're good to go. That'll be stuck onto your windshield unless if you really have to take it off. And before I forget, they actually give you a little charger so that you can power this, and it has 2 slots so you can still charge your phone. It won't just take up the entire port, which is smart thinking, Aukey. Good job. Alright, so let's look at some of the specs for this dash cam. So this dash cam does 1080p, and that is a big step up because a lot of these barely even record high definition. So the 1080p will make sure that you guys can get the license plate of whoever hits you and tries to drive off. You're going to be safe with this thing. This thing has a 170-degree wide angle lens, so you're going to be able to capture everything in your general area that is super wide. This thing also has a super capacitor and a G sensor, so this thing can detect whenever you get into a car crash and automatically start recording. And this thing can also record at nighttime, so you guys are going to be safe all day. So when it comes to sales on Black Friday, I think this dash cam has like one of the biggest discounts. Usually this thing costs about $70, but on Black Friday with this special code down below, you're going to be able to get it for only $42. And that deal will actually be good till December 3rd. So if you guys need a dash cam, Black Friday is the time to get one. Anyways, that is it for today's video. If you guys want to purchase any of these products, make sure you go down to the description down below, and I'll have a bunch of affiliate links there if you guys want to help support my channel or just get some awesome discounted stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video.